Chikoo woke up to drops so small. Pitter-patter, rain began to fall. Tikki chirp, let's go and play. A splashy, dashy, rainy day. Jumping puddles, dancing free, laughing under the rainy tree. Chikoo, Tikki, friends so bright, having fun from morning till night. They wore leaf hats and boots so neat, ran through puddles on tiny feet. Raindrops kissed the jungle ground, with giggles they spun round and round. They met a frog who sang so loud, croaky songs beneath the cloud. Tikki flapped, Chikoo clapped, to the rhythm their feet just tapped. Sun peeked out, a rainbow high, colors glowing in the sky. Best day ever, they both say, what a magical splashy day. Jumping puddles, dancing free, laughing under the rainy tree. Chikoo, Tikki, friends so bright, having fun from morning till night.